Ni muthenya wa mbere wa giikaro kia mbunge guthomithio mitaratara itiganite igimainie na uria makuruta wira na ndeto igi itanya ria kamiti ya guthingicira micara SRC kurenga micara ya mbunge ni yumiririe. Ambunge makionekana gukorwo na matukuya megie itua riri, no Spika Moses Wetangula agihithuria ati ni manjiririe miario na SRC ya gutigirira gutiri mbunge ukurengwo mucara wake.
I want to assure you members that this morning, the reason we came a little late, I was having a meeting with SRC on your behalf. And we have called them to order on a few things. And we believe that before we finish this induction workshop, I'll be able to make several pronouncements on your privileges.
Hamwe na uguo Wetangula ni ahinyiriirie wigie urumwe gatagati-ini ka mbunge na honge ingi cia thirikari. Rita na otarire rigeikio ni mucirithania wa igoti ria gucokia cira riko Daniel Musinga uria ukurugamirire mucirithania munene Martha Koome mucemanio-ini uyu.
You appropriate for every other arm of government, you audit all other arms of government. I call upon us as members of the 13th Parliament to engage in a positive manner to add value to the growth of our country, regardless of our political divide.
Gavana wa bengi nene Patrick Njoroge akiariria mbunge aya ciegie mitaratara ya kimbeca ni uriria mbunge gwitikira kuhitukia mitaratara itiganite iria CBK yendekithitie mbunge-ini. No ningi ni acokereirie ndereti ya ikinya ria thirikari ria kweheria kigina kiria kirahuthikaga gucokia thi thogora wa indo itiganite. Akiuga itua riu ria thirikari ni rigubatara kuigirirwo ratiri-ini.
Any subsidy is a cost. It's a subsidy, but at the same time it's a cost in the sense that somebody needs to be taxed somewhere to cover that subsidy. So that balance is one that needs to be struck. And I think also there's another side of it, which is when the subsidy is removed, it will be, prices will rise, as happened with the super petrol, and therefore that will be reflected in inflation. And there will be knock-on effects.
Hamwe na maundu maria mbunge mabundithirio ni uruti wira kamiti-ini cia mbunge, mitaratara ya kwandika mawatho mbunge-ini gatagati-ini ka maundu mangi.
Your mandate, as I have briefly mentioned, is wide and calls for adequate preparation on your part. The theme for this induction is setting the stage for a smooth takeoff.
Ambunge matiganite ni monanitie mwihoko ati mbunge no ya 13 ni guteithiriria hari kwarira mitaratara iria ikuhuthia garama ya muturire. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ni njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa wira.
I wish to declare